Hello and welcome to my YouTube channel. Friends, in this video we will talk about how to get data or tables from website in Microsoft Excel. This is going to be very useful video for the people who wants to import data from some website, some URLs in their Excel file, so they may not need to do all the data entry task, which is indeed hectic sometimes. So in this video, we will see how easily we can import data from a website in Microsoft Excel. So here is our Excel file, and we will choose the website where we will import the data from. So let's go to our web browser. Here you can see I have opened a website, Worldometer, and here I have searched for countries in the world by population 2023. Here is the title for this web page. Here you can see there is a huge table containing the list of all the countries along with their population, yearly change, net change, density, and there are many certain other variables. So what we will just do, we will go back to Excel. We will go to the data tab. Here, the get data option, you will click on from web and click on from web option. It will ask you about the URL or the link of the website where you want to import data from. So let us wait and see. Here it is asking us for the URL. So we will simply go back to our web browser. We will copy this link, right click, copy, go back to Excel and paste the URL here. See, we have pasted the complete URL of the web page in this box. Afterwards, we will click OK. Once we will click OK button, it will try to make a connection with the web page. And here it will try to load all the data Excel could find in our web page. So let's see, it is still working. Here you can see there are two type of data Excel has found on this web page. One is the document. Just click on it. You will see this is not something very useful for us. And below this document, there is a table. Click on the table. And now here you see that it is the same table which was being displayed on our web page. Here, China, India, United States, and all the countries. And in our Excel file, it contains all the data along with all the columns and rows, but in the preview it might truncate some rows. Just like you can see, the data in the preview has been truncated due to size limits. So it is just a preview how the data would be like. Okay, so now we have two options. If we just simply want to load the same data, we will click on load. But if you want to make some customizations to this data before loading into your Excel file, you will use the transform data feature. So we will try to see, you see there are many columns in this table and we might not be interested in all of them. So what will we just do? We will remove some of them. So we go to the transform data option. Once you click the transform data option, you will see the Power Query Editor here. Power Query Editor. Here you see all the columns. Here is the title of the table. You can just simply change it. We will change it to population table. Population table. Okay. And secondly, we will remove some columns. Just like let's move around. Yearly change, net change, density, land area, migrants. Okay, so I think that we are good with we are good with removing these migrants, fertility rate, and median age. So we will just click on the column. We will click on the remove column. The column will be removed. from our Power Query editor. Then we will select the fertility rate. We will click on remove, and similarly we will do it for the median age. So we have removed 3 columns, and now we see that after the land area column we see urban population. Okay, so we are good to go with the transformation, and we will just simply would like to load our data into Excel file. So simply click on close and load button, and within few moments Excel will load all the data which you have selected or transformed into your Excel file. See how easy was that we simply imported a complete table of countries along with their population rates and density and other parameters into our Excel file within few clicks. So here you can see all the columns, and please notice that after the land area column there were 3 other columns which we removed in during the transformation. So here we can now filter our data. You have all the options, right? So I think this video was very useful for you. So if you like this video, please press the like button and subscribe to my YouTube channel. And if you have any question, or would like me to make a tutorial on certain topic, please mention in the comments box. And see you in the next video. Till then, bye bye.